Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my vlog. Today is a beautiful sunny day, Well, it's summer touching in and the sun is crazy, guys. My last video I told you I was gonna wrap my rooftop here. However, I didn't get the material. So today, as it's weekend, I'm gonna go up by the place, the supplier, and see if I can get a piece just like what is on the side here. To wrap my car. It's summer coming up and a bunch of car show is about to, throw in on us. So I want to make sure that my car is in tip-top shape. A matter of fact, tomorrow there's a car show, or I should say a little park and chill, velocity car show. Anyway, guys, I really don't know how or why the car top has burned out like this. This is the first time that I've noticed that my wrap or the thing has burned out like this. I mean, I've done a lot of wraps and I've never seen it burned out to this condition. Anyway, I'm gonna start at it. Alright, I'm back, guys. I'm gonna start the process. So I got my wrap. So this is the carbon fiber for the top, guys. I'm gonna be doing this right now.
I built that thing from the ground, new paint, old town. Candy on the hood, catch a glance, no sound. Custom seats, stitched up tight, dash glowing at night. Rim spin like a reel, pull up slow, you feel the hype. Key in, let it wait, hear that thunder shake. Everybody look back when I leave that place. At my car, watch it shine, go hard at my car. Yeah, I built that bed at my car. Clean lines, roll start at my car. I pull up like a star, like a star. Custom grill front, mean paint, wet, too clean. Muffler crowd when I roll like a beast with a leash. Curb kiss, don't trip. I know every inch. Got my name on the dash and my pride in the switch. He in, let it wait. Hear that thunder shake. Everybody look back when I leave that place. At my car. Watch it shine, go hard at my car. Yeah, I built that part at my car. Clean lines, roll start at my car. I pull up like a star, like a star.
I'm gonna put it out in the sun so you guys can see
Two hands,
it
one
properly.
dream, took my time, it
But
seems. Now
yeah,
it hugs every time.
this is all matching up now.
What I mean, from the chrome to the glass, yeah, I made it last. When I hit that road, it make the whole block
Alright, so the wrap is done. Guys, how you like the top now? All matching. Yeah. And I did these little areas. So it's like I'm having a top off carbon fiber. Yeah, kinda love the look now. Looks good.
hit that road, it make the whole block crash at my car. Watch it shine, go hard at my car. Yeah, I built that part at my car. Clean lines, roll start at my car. I pull up like a star, like a star.
Alright guys, so today I'm gonna get car washed off. Now that the top is all wrapped and everything looks good. Basically today is gonna be the first car event that I took my car to since I did the complete wrap over. I've been on the road, yeah, but I've not been to a car show as yet. And you know, it's summertime, so we're gonna have quite a few car show in and around the place. So today's the first one, Velocity Car Meet, I think. I think they also have a drifting section before the car meetup. However, I'm not gonna go to the drifting. I'm just gonna go to the car meet. Just chill a moment. I'm gonna meet up with my virgin up top, and then we roll out to the car show. But before I do all of that, I'm gonna go get the car washed off, shine up a bit. Then I can get ready to go. All right, guys. Okay, I'm all set, guys. I'm going to meet up my virgin up top here now, and then we'll go to the car meet. Hopefully this one is an excited one, I don't know, but let's see. The stands on my virgin car is always a sight to see. Trust me, beautiful. Guys, first car show for the summer, yeah, and I should say the first car show since the car wrap over back. So Virgin really like the camera, but you don't know the car. I have to go for the camera already, and we are roll out now. There's a show. What's the show called again? Velocity.
Yeah.
Velocity car show. Different car show. That's where we're going to now. So yeah, we just hold our vibes just a little bit. We meet up and we're gonna roll out now. Any more of the latest guys coming? You're not sure. Alright.
They love it. Put that love.
Pulling up at the event now. I know we missed a lot of what's going on. I missed the drift show and thing, but hopefully we see some nice cars here. All this want now, bro, is some kids.
Yeah.
Want a lip, side skirt.
Gone.
Yeah.
And drop the clip.
Yeah.
White, funny, sick.
Yeah, man, the white.
The white.
White and blue.
And the red.
Always a good combo.
Yeah. Nice one.
You know, so the color on that, yeah, basically.
Yeah, almost.
Almost the same.
Yeah.
Alright, may I catch both of them on the same thing, on the same frame. Same color.
When you like that.
No, man.
Weird.
You know, so this and this are the same exact thing. I just
color.
probably
Yeah,
because them light on. Yeah. Probably because them light on this. You might see this looks up, but.
I don't know, I see a bit of black and like that.
Eh?
Jamaica no come a bigger player.
Yeah. That's it.
Must spin. Come out there, must spin. Red one nice now. What do you tell you?
Yeah?
Yeah, me see it for my boy. iPhone 10 and a Panasonic. Girl, why you want?
So that's it, it's a wrap. The evening was well spent. I know I'm leaving a bit early, but to be honest with you guys, I have enough. I had enough of it. Car show these days are not to my much liking. Well, at least Some of them. I think I wouldn't call this meet just now a car show. I would probably call it a meet, you know, or a park and chill kind of a thing, because I realize that most of what's happening now in these car shows are like the tune cars, you know, busting up some, you know, revving out and all of those things, which is good. I mean, I'm not knocking those things, you know, guys. I'm basically just saying that car show for me, as a car enthusiast, entails more than just, you know, the tune busting up engine and all of those things. It's basically, for me, it's more of admiring some nice builds, you know, like custom builds and, you know, some hard work that people put into their cars. Yeah. And, you know, the design of a car, the special techniques that goes into certain designing and stuff like that. Yeah. I'm more for that, you know, guys. But yeah, the day was very well spent, and I'm heading home right now. So this is it. Thank you for watching the video, and if you see anything that you want to comment about, you know, just drop it in the comment, guys, and give me a like so that we can do more of these videos. As I said, it's summer coming up, and you know, we have a lot more car shows to come up, so let's hope that we get some good ones. All right, guys.